excited. We are very excited.
Very excited.
We are sitting here with one of our favorites.
Yes.
The infamous
DJ
Stagga.
DJ Stagga.
Jamaican DJ, Caribbean DJ, the
Haitian
people's choice.
DJ.
The people's
DJ.
The people's choice. Oh, we are so happy to sit here with you.
Yes,
You
we're so
excited?
excited.
I mean, it's a pleasure. It's an honor to be here.
Yeah.
And, you know, to receive this much love from the Haitian community from you guys. So,
We love you.
Yes, we really love
That's
you.
why.
I'm glad you do.
We were talking about this earlier. We would hear Stagga's name. We'd be like, Stagga!
Big fans.
Yes.
We love your vibe and
You
your
really
energy.
do, yes.
Oh my God.
That's great. That makes me feel well appreciated because, you know, I've dedicated like my career and my performances to playing for ladies.
Yeah.
Have a good time.
Oh, is that why you play?
Yes.
For the ladies.
For the ladies.
Alright, I
For the ladies.
we can see
I mean,
it.
without the ladies,
Yeah.
the party's not going to be nice.
The ladies appreciate you.
Yes.
Oh.
Like when we go into an event and we hear Stagga's gonna be there, we're like, oh, we're gonna have a good time.
Yes.
We cannot wait.
Yes. And I feel like that's like a great compliment for a
Yeah.
DJ.
Yeah.
To like for people to hear that you're gonna be there and they're like, oh my God, we know we're gonna have a great time. And there are certain DJs, you're one of the top ones that we really
Yeah.
feel like whenever we see your name or we hear your name, like yeah. We
That makes me feel very good inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
I mean, you guys don't know how much that does for a DJ
Yeah.
to receive that. You understand? So that for one means a lot to me.
Oh,
And I really
Nice.
appreciate it from all you guys.
We appreciate
we
you.
appreciate you. So we have a couple questions. You ready?
I mean, as ready as I can be.
Go ahead, Lala. Go ahead. He's in the hot seat. Go ahead.
Alright. So Stagga, as much as we love you, we don't know much about you.
That's a fact.
We don't know anything about so tell us about yourself. Where are you from originally? Like, give us like the beginning stage of Stagga.
Well, originally born and raised in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yeah, DJ Stagga is, how would I describe myself now?
Yeah.
I know that's right.
I would say
So heavy.
I'm an enigma.
Okay.
I'm very creative,
Yeah.
very determined.
Yeah.
You know, I put my dedication in anything that I'm doing
Yeah.
to achieve my goal in whatever I'm doing.
Yeah.
I like being the best at whatever it is I'm doing.
Love that.
Yes.
And, you know, also handsome, just to name a few.
You have to drop that little piece in there to make sure they know.
God bless me.
You know, but, you know, it didn't, my career didn't start as a traditional DJ. You know, most DJs, they go through the older versions of DJing with the vinyls and all this and standing up waiting for a play and all of that stuff.
No.
Didn't go like that for me. It was more so a split decision for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I started off from mixtapes first with just me.
Yeah.
That's my preference.
Wow.
It was like, back in the days, it was like, in Jamaica, in dancehall music, you have one beat with multiple songs on it.
Okay.
So, you know how you hear hip hop and compa and stuff like that, it's just one beat and
Yeah.
one song.
Yeah.
It's not, you don't have this artist, that artist,
Yeah.
it's just one person, one beat, that's it. It's different in dancehall and reggae. So it was like, you know, we call it juggling.
Okay.
In Jamaica.
Oh, okay. That's
So,
interesting.
you know, I was growing up, I heard of juggling once, and I was like, I don't like it. I don't think I could do that.
You didn't like it.
Right. So
His is gonna be better. Yeah.
I preferred, like, I had the songs and I had my preference.
Yeah.
That's how I would like to hear the songs on the beat. So, you know, I went ahead, started off with virtual DJ, and I did a mix. Put it on my phone, had it for my personal use, and I was just playing it one day in my house, in my home, And my friends came, they heard it. And then it was like, from there, it was like, you have a talent for this, but you don't know. Because I never took it serious. I never took music serious until I migrated to America.
Okay.
So, yes, I was playing in Jamaica. My first set of MCs, big up to School as International. Because I didn't usually MC, I didn't usually talk.
No.
You see that stuff y'all love that I say?
It didn't start with you?
It is.
No, I didn't usually do this. I didn't do that. So it was Chuckstar and Schoolers. Those were my guys that start me off.
Yeah.
That I did it with first, and then from there it was like it started in the community and with the family. I'm big on family.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
And
good.
anything that I want to do, my family always push me to do that. So, you know, I always have that mental support and that backbone to do whatever it is I want to do. If I decide tomorrow that I want to go fly a plane, they're going to be, Stagga, go ahead. And I'll be okay. You know, but I mean, it really started in Jamaica, but I really got serious here in Philly.
Okay.
So,
How long ago was that?
Yeah.
this was like 6 to 7 years ago. I've not been DJing long enough.
Wow.
Okay.
We
can't tell.
Right.
We cannot tell.
Yeah, it has not been that long at all.
So you left Jamaica, you came straight to Philly, you didn't stop in New York first, like everybody else?
No, actually, when I left Jamaica, I came to Tennessee first, Memphis,
What?
Tennessee.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I was in Memphis,
Who's
Tennessee.
there?
Nobody.
No Jamaicans, I'm sure of that.
And if Jamaicans is there, they were hiding. I couldn't find them. And then I left from Tennessee. Then I went to San Diego, California.
Wow.
Stayed there for a minute. And then I came back and forth to Philadelphia. And then, you know, from there, it just kind of took off from there. Because I came and then my cousin had a party. My cousin Kid, big up Kid anyway, I'm there. That I'm a
Big up
boss.
Kid.
So, yeah. Kid, I'm a general. So he had his birthday party and slash his fish fry. And, you know, I came over for that from California. We did it. We played at the party. And then Philadelphia was like, yo, who is this kid?
Right.
Like, where did this kid come from?
Right.
Where you get this vibe?
That's the reaction, yep. That's the reaction.
And remember, at this time, I wasn't even seasoned yet. I wasn't really even an entertainer yet, so to speak.
Just getting your feet wet.
I was just mixing.
Yeah.
I was
You
just
wasn't
playing.
Stagga yet.
Exactly. I was always Stagga, but you know, I wasn't the Stagga that you know and love right now. You know, I was a different Stagga, just starting out, just getting a feel of what it really is in the music industry at that time. I really didn't even enter the music industry that time. So I was just here visiting, decided to play some tunes, and then from there, people saw the talent, and I couldn't see it for nothing. You know, it was like, it was natural to me to just entertain, and I couldn't see that. But then with the help of people like Digital Clear, you know, the help of Kid, the help of people like, there's a few more names.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's a lot of people that played a part in DJ Stagga right now. Destiny Roots from California. Big up yourself. Whole heap of people. If I start calling names, we're gonna be here all night. You know? So everybody know who played a part in DJ Stagga. Y'all know yourself. Big up on yourself, you know?
Aww. That's awesome.
If you appreciate it, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I always show appreciation.
You know where you come from. That's good. That's good.
Yes.
So Stagga, I'm gonna ask you a question. You gonna answer?
It depends.
What is your real name?
I'm gonna give you half of it. My real name is Nicholas.
Nicholas.
That's half of your name?
Yeah, it's different.
That's the first one, right?
That's my first name, yeah.
That's
Nicholas.
your
But
first name.
it's different. It's not
Nicholas. Okay, I can see that.
It's not Nicholas like everybody's used to it. It's
Yeah.
Nicholas.
Nicholas.
Yeah, like the A before the O type.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it's
Nicholas.
really, yeah. It's really
It's
how
unique.
it's how you pronounce it.
Does anybody in your life call you Nicholas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nick or Nicholas?
Every family member I can think
Really?
of. Yeah.
They don't call you DJ Stagga?
There's one person alone. That's Kid. And that's the person who gave me the name.
Okay.
So once I get big up Kid, but Kid and like a few of my cousins.
Okay.
But you know, for the most part, I was known as Nick coming up, Nicholas. That's it.
Okay, so shout out Kid.
Yeah.
So tell us the backstory behind the name.
It's actually two sides to that name.
Okay.
Two stories to that name. I got that name when I was a baby, and I got that name again when I was in high school. But you know, the high school version is censored, so I'm gonna share the baby version, the PG-13 version. So actually, it's very simple. You know, as a child, I was very chubby, big, fat, rolly.
A roly-poly?
A roly-poly. Yeah, I was very chubby as a child. So
as a baby?
As a baby, I was like, ugh.
But as a baby, as you grew up, you...
Well, I wasn't even growing up yet. It was like I was learning to walk.
Yeah.
You know, this is what I was told. This is what I was told.
Okay.
You know, in the process of learning to walk, it was like I would always walk, and I would look like somebody who just downed a bottle of Hennessy.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So.
Not as a baby.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's how I got the name, because you know, people say you're drunk and stagger. You're staggering away.
Oh
so,
my God.
Yeah. So.
That's horrible.
So really and truly, you know, that's where I got the name when I was learning to walk. You know, Kid came up there, saw me. That's my cousin, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, he came up there and saw me. I'm like, yo, what kind of drunken baby this? You know,
Drunken baby.
Stagger this. My stagger where I go call him, man. You know?
So it stayed.
It stayed.
Oh my God.
That is some Caribbean.
As I got older, it was, like I said, censored. So, you know, as I got older,
wait,
it really
now I'm interested in the censored version.
Seriously.
Because the baby version doesn't sound that great. What's the censored version?
Oh, no. The censored version can't share.
Okay, alright. I'll take your word for it.
But I don't think it's the right thing for an interview, you know? Yeah.
Baby Stagga. Well, that's
So
funny.
you're gonna tell us off camera? Maybe.
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 A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Depends on how I feel.
We're going to get you drinking. Stagga, we're going to get you drinking some more.
Right. Get you staggering.
Well, that's hard to do. You know, my liver is already black.
Oh,
So,
man.
I wish y'all luck with that.
We won't do that.
Yeah, we won't. We're just joking. We won't do that. So, obviously, you're well crafted. You're well at your craft. You're doing a great job. You got us dancing. You got us happy to come out. We can't wait to see you at all times. What do you think separates you, your success, from other people?
My success, I would say the passion that I have. The passion that I have, the creativity that I display. And really, let me just put it like this. So when I play music, it's more of an expression of me and who I am and how I feel.
Yeah.
So if I'm in a party, it could be one person, 10 people, or 100, or 1,000. You know, it's going to always be an expression of what I want to happen.
Yeah.
So, not to stray from the point, Mega Chin was one to always tell me that you can have the talent, you can have the natural raw born talent, and it can go nowhere without the image and the business mind and principles behind it.
Yeah.
So, taking what Mega Chin said to me, you know, I don't know if you know this, but when I come to an event, if you do a theme event, I'm one of the DJs that's gonna dress to the theme.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
So if you do an event and it's formal, I'm gonna dress formal.
Nice.
If you do a black tie event, you're gonna see me in my black tie. I gotta shout out to my fiance Alicia for this one
Aww.
because she's really the mastermind behind the business aspect of DJ Stagga. In
Shout
terms,
out Alicia.
Yes.
Shout out.
The queen behind.
Queen,
The
but
king.
yeah.
Trust me. That's somebody who sits down, sit at the table, maps everything out, and say, you need to move this way, you need to do
that's
that,
what's up.
you need to do that.
That's what's up.
That's
And
awesome.
you know, I just keep it. I just love what I have there in terms of bonding everything together,
Yeah.
the talent, the business, the image. Like, I think that's something that a lot of DJs do not capitalize on. Because it's like you will get booked for the biggest event of your life, and some guys will turn up in a jeans and a white t-shirt and the sneakers, and it's like you walk up to the gate and people are like, oh, you're probably just a regular person walking.
Right.
You know, when you book DJ Stagga for an event, when I turn up to an event, people are gonna ask, oh, who is this coming in? He must be somebody that's going on stage, because that's how, you know, that's how, that's how I present myself. So I mean, the presentation has a lot to do with it.
Yeah.
Of course, the image doesn't go far without the talent. And what differentiates me a whole lot from most DJs, not to throw anybody under the bus, but like I said when we just started, I aim to please the ladies.
Yeah.
So if the ladies are not having fun, I'm not having fun. That's just how I feel about it. You know, if I'm in the party and I see all the ladies standing up like this, I'm going to be upset. I'm going to be mad. So I'm one of those DJs that when I come on, my main duty is to please the ladies, make sure the ladies have a good time, and make sure the party is nice.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
No, that's really cool.
It's a lot more to say, but just to sum it up.
Yeah. Like, I think a couple things that you say that, I feel like I have similarity with you as far as work ethic wise. One of the things that, and this is an American quote, that I really try to remember every single day if I'm trying something different is that hard work beats talent every day.
It's true. That's
So,
a fact.
working hard, like working hard, you don't necessarily have to be born, excuse me, you don't necessarily have to be born with the talent, but if it's what you want, like, you can achieve whatever you want. That's the one thing that I took away from what you're saying. Another piece that I also live by is what's called a PI, which is performance, image, and exposure. And those three things also fall in line with the fact that, like, you know, the presentation is important. How you present yourself to people, how you conduct yourself, and like I really commend you on the fact that, like, you and your fiance obviously, you know, respect the craft and respect what you do, that you aim to please the crowd, and also works very hard, and, like, you know, the little things matter. The small things that people don't think that matters. Small things like, you know, like the little thing, the details. Yeah, the details matter. The fact that you present yourself, you conduct yourself in a way that you do, and I really love that.
And I love that if there's a theme, you show up dressed.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't. I don't think a lot of people think of that.
Yeah.
No, you definitely have to. That's a plus. That's a plus.
You're the cherry on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Stagga, I think you touched on this already.
I feel like the question's about to get serious.
It is, because now I'm like, okay, I love this. So what drives you? We know you love to, you know, you talk about the fact that you love to please the ladies when you're playing. You big on family. You talk about how big of a part that your fiance plays in your success, and all the people that you just shout out as far as, like, you know, the parts that they play in you being the, you know, the success that you are today. So what else drives you? Is there anything else or anything in particular that you, like, you know, this is driving me? Like, a lot of people are like, family, money, fame? Like, what is it that's like your driving factor?
All right. So first of all, family is the support.
Yeah.
Yeah. Money is the reward. Yeah. Um. If I wanna say stuff that drive me, it's really I wouldn't even know how to explain it, but it's just a passion
Okay.
for music. It's a passion for entertaining. It's a passion for performing on the stage. So when I see people having fun, basically you could say the satisfaction.
Okay.
When I see people having fun, when I see a party that's lit, and like when I see the reaction that I get from people, there you go, the reaction.
The reaction. Okay.
I look forward to the reaction. When I can control a crowd, when I can do whatever I want to do with the party, when I can make people run from the left to the right, when I can make people put their hands up, when I can make them sing,
Yeah.
when I can make people that, like the reaction, yeah, it means a lot to me right there. So I mean, that's my driving force. That's what I look forward to, and it's really an anticipation of how much and how far I can go with my talent.
Yeah.
So, yes, I might have an event, I might do well, I might do a concert, I might do well, but I always want more. I'm never satisfied with just what I achieve.
Yeah.
I always want to see what can happen, what more can I do. I want to see the possibilities because it's endless possibilities, and I'll never stop searching until there's no more.
Yeah.
So for me, that's my driving force. I want to see what happens. I want to see how far I can go and how much I can do.
Are you still learning?
I learn every day.
You learn every day.
Every day. With everything. You can never stop learning.
Yeah, that's true.
You can learn from even a child right now.
Absolutely.
So that's one thing about me. I never stop learning.
And that's going to take you further, the fact that you understand that.
Definitely. Because, I mean, even being as diverse as I am, Jamaican, Haitians, Africans, Trinis, Americans, like, you have to put your pride aside.
Yeah.
And you have to sit and you have to learn all over again.
Yeah.
If you're not willing to learn, then you're not going to elevate. You're not going to go further.
Absolutely.
So I always approach music with an open mind. So once there's something to learn, I want to learn it. Once there's something to take me further, I want to go further. So
I'm happy to hear you say that because you want to learn some things today.
Oh my.
I'm so happy to hear you say that.
Go ahead, Erlene. What are we teaching Stagga today?
That's true. I'm thinking about like what are we going? What Creole word?
Yeah.
You too dug in deep with the Haitians for you to only know
Yes,
Sakpase.
that's true.
Off camera.
Hey.
What he know Sakpase. He stopped right at the Sakpase. Like that's too generic. Like you too dug in deep for you to only know Sakpase. But we're gonna come back to it.
Yeah.
We're gonna come back to it.
I mean, there's a reason for that also.
Oh, what is that?
I mean, it's good energy. We're like family.
Yes.
So, I mean, it doesn't matter if you speak Creole and I speak Patois or I speak English or Spanish. I mean, it's one people, it's one vibe, it's one music. And we all understand each other. So that's the greatest thing.
Yeah. Yes. But we're still going to teach you a couple
We really are.
I was trying to get out of that.
I thought that's where you would go. I love it. I don't want people. But you still got to know some.
Yeah.
I'll learn a few today.
All right, bet. So we know that you're great. We know that you're the greatest at it. We know that you're the best at your craft. So if you wasn't a DJ, what do you think you would be doing?
Wow. That's a big question.
Yeah.
Because really and truly, let me start by saying, I'm so multi-talented in so many different areas.
Okay.
It's like, if I wasn't a DJ, I could be anything else that I wanted to be.
I know that's right. You know what, Stagga? I know that's right.
If I decide tomorrow that, listen, I'm going to go in aviation, I'm going to fly planes, then by next year, I should be a pilot, and you should be coming.
I love the confidence.
Would you drop some beats though, like for the passengers? That's a good one. Like, would you still drop a couple beats?
You're putting my future job in jeopardy. I'm sure nobody wanna fly with a DJ that's gonna play music while you fly. So.
I'm just asking. You have a co-pilot?
Yes. Come with your playlist and just let it play.
Right.
That I could do.
Yeah.
I definitely would.
While you flying, you can MC real quick.
Right.
I definitely would. Yeah, I would probably have a flight to Jamaica.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's talk about it. Wait.
What?
That's a good
That's
one.
a good flight.
I would have a flight to Jamaica. I would play reggae and dance all the whole flight. I'm gonna be popping.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you got some like food, like bro. Don't get the liquor going. Like that's gonna be lit.
Yeah, that would be something crazy.
It would be crazy.
What's that? What's that movie?
I was gonna say, there's a movie. What is that? Soap? Is it Soap?
No.
Soul Plane. All over again.
But the Caribbean version.
The Caribbean version. The Caribbean version gonna be lit.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. So you are very well known in the Haitian community. We know, you're very close friends with a lot of Haitians. Mm-hmm. So is there how did you get into the Haitian community like that in Philadelphia?
Honestly, it's just something that happened naturally. It wasn't, I don't know what to say. It wasn't an initiation. It wasn't a nursing. Yeah, it wasn't.
We might need to initiate you with a couple Creole words.
It's gonna let up on the Creole.
Okay, I got you. I mean, Haitian people, they got good energy. It's all good vibes. So, and the next thing is, Haitian people are always in the dancehall community. They're always in, matter of fact, everywhere you look.
Yeah.
If there's a Spanish party, there's a Haitian person. So, yeah, they do show a lot of love. And it's like, how could you not? How could you not know somebody that's Haitian? That's the bigger question.
Yeah.
Like, how could you not know and love somebody that's Haitian? They come, they don't care about you. They spend, they party, they go home, they don't fight.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
Yeah, true. That's true.
And they're good people.
That's very true.
I mean, that's my experience with Haitian people, and I'd like to keep it that way.